Mascarpone cream is a typical Italian spoon dessert. Let's make it together. Break the eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. Using an electric whisk, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Great! Add sugar to the yolks and beat until you get a very light and fluffy mixture. Work the mascarpone with a spatula to make it softer. Add the mascarpone to the yolks and mix with gentle movements to incorporate it. You can use the electric whisk. Now you can proceed to add the stiffly beaten egg whites. Fold them into the cream and gently mix with a rotating motion from top to bottom. This step is crucial to avoid deflating the egg whites. The mascarpone cream is ready to be placed in glasses and decorated with fruit. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.